Hello friends, this is Jayant Rohankar working as Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to learn abstraction of database management system. What is mean by abstraction actually? To hide something from the user, to hide the complexity from the user. That is what the basic meaning of abstraction in database management system. We will see what is the use of and how it work in database management system. First of all, we will see level of abstractions. So there are three main level of abstraction in the database management system. That is physical level of abstraction, then logical level of abstraction, then view level of abstraction. Why these three levels are built or designed to hide the complexity from the user in the database management system? What is the use of these three level of abstraction in the database management system? That we will see now. So physical level of abstraction describe how a record is stored. This is what the actual physical data which is stored on the database, that is given by means of the physical level. And actually this is not related to the user. User just want to use the application or the front end application. So that's why database management system hide this complexity, hides this from the user. Like customer related data stored on the database, that is not need to know by the user. User want to access the data, user want to retrieve the data from the database. That's why physical level of abstraction is not needed to know by the user. Then logical level of abstraction, it describes data stored in the database and the relationship among the data. It describes the data stored in the database means what type of data is there and how the data types are used there and how it is structured and what is the relationship among that database is represented by means of the logical level. It actually represent the logical means if suppose we have 7 entities in the database and how that 7 entities are related among themselves, that is represented by the logical level. How logically they are correlated, they are interrelated with each other, that is given by means of the logical level of the abstraction. For example, here type customer equal to record, customer ID string, customer name string data type, then customer street having the string data type, then customer city having string data type. So this is what the customer related data we are going to create, and these many attributes, these many fields will be there to collect the database of the customers. So this is what the logical level which is stored the database in background, but user need not to know what type of data types are used by the system. So user are not aware about these things of logical level. So this is what one of the abstraction, one of the most important abstractions of the database management system. Then view level. So application program hide detail of data types. View can also hide information such as an employee's salary for security purpose. So in some cases application program hide detail of data types. View can also hide information, means if we are the user of the database management system and we are using the view level, that is the end level application software to access the data, and if suppose I am using any of the application but that is not related to another application, then such type of information will be hide from the user of that particular application. So view level, only those part of the database will be shown to the user which is related to that particular application. So this is what the view level. It is very important to use the data abstraction or level of abstraction in the database management system to hide the complexity from the user, because it is not mandatory that the user of the database management system or any of the system, that person should have a computer competency. It may be possible that person is having less knowledge regarding the computer. So that's why when user are using the database management system, so complexity are hide from the users. So level of abstraction is very important, or we can say abstraction part of database management system is very important while we are designing the database management system. Now we can see how that level of abstraction is uses in the view of data. So here an architecture of database management system for a different level of abstraction is given. So here you can very easily see on the top view level is available, means view level is the part of user where view 1, view 2 and view 1 are available. Here user can use the database or view the database by the different views, and the view 1 user can see the view 1 database only, and view 2 database can be seen by the user 2 only. Like that, different views of the database can be seen by that particular users of the database. Then logical level will show how the database, how the files are correlated among themselves. That will be given by means of the logical level. It creates the entity relationship among the entities, and it maintains that relationship, and accordingly the database is structured logically. Then physical level, how the database physically stored on the memory, physically stored on the physical storage, that will be given by means of the physical level of abstraction. Here how the data is stored and how the memory is allocated, how it is structured in the physical storage, that all things are covered by the physical level of abstraction. Then we will see what is meant by instances and schemas. So instances and schemas, similar to types and variable of programming language. Schema is nothing but a logical structure of the database. For example, database consists of information about a set of customers and accounts, and the relationship between them are analogous to type of information of variable in programs. Physical schema and logical schemas are there. Physical schema represent database design at a physical level, and logical schema represent database design at the logical level. So what is mean by instances? Then the actual content of database at a particular point in a time, that is called an instance. Suppose we want to know at which time the customer of bank debited the amount. If suppose one customer lodge a case, file a complaint that from some ATM, from particular ATM, the amount is not debited by her or him, but it is debited from her or his account. So such type of instance is happen or not, that will be checked by the bank persons, and this is called the particular point in time. So this is what the instance is happen or not, that will be checked by the instances of the database management system. Then analogous to value of variable, the physical data independence is the ability to modify the physical schema without changing the logical schema. So physical schema is nothing but how physically the data is stored on the database or the physical storage, but physical schema or physical structure of the database management system will not change the structure of logical schema. So applications depend on logical schema. In general, the interfaces between the various levels and components should be well defined so the changes in some part do not seriously influence the other. So this is what about the level of abstractions, or we can say abstractions of database management system, then view of data and instances of schemas of database management system. So thank you very much.